To get the Oculus app on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store on your device. The App Store is where you can find and download various applications for your iPhone, including the Oculus app. Next, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and type in Oculus. The Oculus app should appear in the search results. Select it and tap the Get button to begin the download process. You will be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download. Once the download is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Oculus app. After launching the app, you will be asked to sign in with your Facebook account or create a new Oculus account. If you already have an Oculus account, sign in with your existing credentials. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account. Once you are signed in, you can explore the various features and settings within the Oculus app, including the ability to manage your Oculus devices, browse the Oculus Store, and adjust your account settings. It is essential to note that the Oculus app requires a Facebook account to use, as Oculus is owned by Facebook's parent company, Meta. If you do not have a Facebook account, you will need to create one to use the Oculus app. In addition to managing your Oculus devices, the Oculus app also allows you to purchase and download games and experiences directly to your Oculus headset. You can browse the Oculus Store, read reviews, and purchase content that interests you. By following these steps, you can easily get the Oculus app on your iPhone and start exploring the world of virtual reality with Oculus.